Welcome to the Not Salmon Affiliate Program. Get ready to make good money doing good in the world selling my life improving courses. Hey everybody, it's me, Karen Salmansohn, and I wanted to show you around the Not Salmon Affiliate dashboard. So when you log in, this is what you'll see immediately. Your name will be up here. I created a pretend account just to show you around the neighborhood, but that will be your name. And here is where the action happens. You'll see your net commissions come in here. You'll see how many clicks you're getting on your unique affiliate link, transactions, people's names. Here's the refund area, but you won't probably see much happening over here because it's extremely rare I get refunds. And then this will be your gross sales. So you can also keep track of what you made yesterday, last week, last month, all of this, create custom ranges here. I just signed up. This isn't really an account, so that's why nothing is there right now. I just signed up to show you around. Here's where you'll see the products. And I have given you access to all of my courses. And as I introduce new courses, you'll be able to be an affiliate for those as well. And you'll see if whichever one you click on, you're going to see opportunities for promo copy. And your affiliate link, your unique affiliate link will always be here. Wherever the promo materials are, you'll have this link. Right now, it's not here because I need to sign up. So you must connect your PayPal account before you can earn commissions and get paid. So once you sign up for PayPal, that's when you'll get your unique affiliate link and it will show up here. And then the promo materials are here. I have swipe copy, a range of different swipe copy that has worked for me. Each of them is different for all the different courses. And also images. So all of my favorite posters that have done well for me selling my courses, you can use to sell my courses. And not only that, it will probably help you to increase your following because these posters have done very well also just as posters in their own right. And so what happens is you go here, you get the swipe copy, you're invited to rewrite my swipe copy in your voice. If you want to change it or edit it in any way, feel free. If you want to not even use my swipe copy, feel free. If you don't want to use my images, feel free to use your own. And then just always be sure to remember to add in your unique affiliate link to the copy. And in another video, I'm going to explain how to put put the link in on Instagram posts, either in your Linktree area, your regular URL area, or on swipe ups. But I'm just mentioning that now, but I'll show you. I have a video just for that. So, and then your commission history for each course will be here. So you can see it under each course as well. And then you just click around. It's so simple. Any course that you click on is going to have the same thing: promo materials, swipe copy, and images. And I'll always be adding on new images and more copy as I create it. If something works for me, then I'll share it thinking, hey, it could work for you too. So that's your intro to the dashboard. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.